Hello, everybody. So we're on page 50, financial accounts. Now, yes, this is still financial. So I was thinking about this from the last video. Remember, I said that you could take those and put them inside the folder. Well, then you could also take a tab and put it inside the folder and then put these next. All right, let me grab a tab and show you. Okay, so what you could do is you could take those ones that we just did, and I already have them in my binder, so I'm going to pretend it's there. So you're going to have your monthly bills here, and then you're going to put the tab in and have your financial accounts here. Okay, same thing if you decided to do a new binder. All right. That's how that would play out if you chose to use a different binder. This just has white line paper in it, but you wouldn't. So you would take your monthly medical bills, which was in the last video, put a tab in it, and then put your financial accounts next. Okay, so what I don't want you to be is all out of line because we've mixed financial with medical. Okay, like I said, I'm leaving mine right where it is. I'm leaving it all together. I'm leaving, its table of contents is set up that way. But again, if you are not comfortable with the medical being with the financial, make the financial totally separate. All right, here we go. Now, at the top, of course, Medicaid, 5 years. Limit balance, check state. Spouses transactions are included in New York State. So make sure you check your state. All right. We have got bank accounts, checking, savings, high yield, money market, joint spouse, joint parent, joint POA, joint custodial. I never really heard of all that, but I guess it's out there. Okay. Institution, owner, access information, and notes. Okay. And then we have business. Stick this in a sleeve so I don't forget. We've got this page here. Credit cards, store credit cards, line of credit, HELOC, investment accounts. Okay. If you have an investment account, it's probably here. If it's not, write it in. Okay. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on that because if you have them, you know you have them. All right. And you just go ahead and put all that information in there. All right. The next one looks the same. It's got loan accounts, mortgage, all different kinds of loans, insurance accounts, life insurance, disability insurance, health insurance, all those kinds of insurance, employer accounts. Now, this might lead to a whole separate thing as well. It might be a whole separate thing in general. But I do have a little bit here listed. If you have just a small mom and pop shop, this might work. If you have a Fortune 500 company, this may not work for you. Okay? Again, this binder is for you. You do what works. This is just showing you an easy way to get organized. Okay? I've also got other assets. Safe deposit box, emergency fund. There's that emergency fund again. You call it whatever you want. It's money tucked away in case of an emergency. Prepaid debit cards, digital wallets, currency, bonds, real estate holdings. Okay. Now you're like, why? Well, because this is to help you in case of an emergency. Again, if this doesn't work for you, that's totally fine. You don't have to print these if you're not comfortable with them. All right. I am putting mine right in my binder. Okay. You put them wherever you want or don't use them at all. All right. I'm taking another one of the flimsy tabs and putting them in here. All right. And that's that. That is it for financial accounts.